Hi, I'm Marty Renk, General Manager of ODIN Casting. We digitally engineer critical replacement parts for companies in oil and gas, mining, power generation, chemical, pulp and paper, and municipal markets. So let's dive right in. Our first step is always an engineering assessment. To give you some context here, an engineering assessment is just one part of a proven three-phase system that we developed to do one thing: deliver better than original short-run or legacy castings. So the first step in the IDCS process is engineering assessment. And in this case, the goal for the customer was prototypes done in 3 weeks. Improved wear resistance and improved fit. So what they did is they sent us the parts that they currently are using in their machine. We took that 3D printed mock-ups and we sent them mock-ups with a big diameter and one with a small diameter to let them make a decision on what fit better for them. So they came back to us and said, hey, we like the smaller ID, it fits better. We went into rapid prototyping, actual casting of these. We reverse engineered the metallurgy and found out that the metallurgy was right on. So we said we can improve wear resistance by keeping the metallurgy the same, but running these through a proprietary heat treat cycle to improve wear. Obviously, speed is a given to achieve the goal of a 3-week lead time. We did that through 40 years of combined experience in engineering and metallurgy. Have questions or a part we can evaluate for you? Click the button below this video to schedule a time to chat with me. If nothing else, you'll come away with a better understanding of the digital casting process and how it can benefit you in the long run. Thanks for watching. I look forward to talking to you.